knew you were going to sing it.
Everybody loves Tay Tay. Hi, Caleb.
Hi.
What's wrong? Are you okay?
I just took my spit. Okay.
Hi, Lily.
Hi.
Joanne, Bella.
Record me. Record me. Yeah. Babe, feel my hair. It's so soft.
It is
It's so smooth.
smooth.
Can you take a picture of me over there and send it to me?
Yeah. There goes Lily. She's moonlight bathing. Stop messing her picture up.
That's not.
Oh, you want me to keep doing the backwards walk? It is not salt water, my friend.
You like Taylor Swift?
Yeah, I went to her concert.
You did? When?
Like 3 years ago.
You go to so many concerts.
No, my sister took me.
Was you really far away?
No, we weren't that far away, and she comes out on the stage like really far out.
You
She
went to a
has-
Taylor Swift concert?
She has like a floating stage, and it comes
She had
out
what?
like it's like a floating stage.
That's so cool. Can I see my picture?
Hold on, I'll send it to you. Okay. You hear the ducks? Now I gotta take a picture of you, Kayla. Go back some.